Hey guys, it was requested that I test the latest batch of socket fans in my house on the ceiling. And those who've seen the tours of my house know the only real ceiling socket is over the sink. So that's we're going to try them. We have this is the one from eBay. Here's the remote. You can find more details like CFM and current usage and all of that in the workbench video. So let's hit the light button. Okay. Is that the brightest? Let's see if we can get brighter. Yes, we can. It's pretty bright. Not quite bright enough for over the sink. Maybe if it directed the light more down, it would be. It's at the cool, warm, neutral, nightlight. Nightlight, there we go. Okay. Low. Medium. High. High with light. Okay. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching.